Welcome back mga kabisakol. So ayan na.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Tapos yung front suspension. Madali lang naman yung mag-testing si Kuya Mekaniko dito sa Big Boys. Ayan. So may na rinig pa si Kuya ng parang may sumasabit. So inayos naman niya. So nakuha naman agad niya kung ano yung may sumasabit. So ngayon testing niya ulit kung may tumutunog pa ba. Parang sumasabit o wala na. Kasi pagkaalam ko tumutunog yung auxiliary light niyan pag pinapandar. So far so good naman daw sabi ni Kuya Mekaniko. So may tiwala naman ako sa kanya. Okay na. Pwede nang ilong drive daw pero advice niya is CVT cleaning tapos check ng V-belt. So yan. Dahil dyan papacheck ko yung CVT or cleaning. Magpa-cleaning ako ng CVT siguro doon sa kung saan ko to kinuha yung Inmax or doon sa may motor trade. So yan, natapos na. Uwi na ako mga kabisakol. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking vlog na ito. Abangan nyo ang aming long ride from Bicol to Tacloban. Vlog ko to, minsan magla-live tayo. Abangan nyo. Maraming salamat mga kabisakol. At dahil dyan, mayroon kayong sticker sa akin sa mga madadaanan ko. Papuntang galing kaming Bicol, papuntang Tacloban. Tacloban to Bicol. Pero bago yan, mayroon kaming rides dito sa Naga City. Kasama ko yung Inmax Pilipinas. Isarog 360 lang kami mga kabisakol. Magbablog din kami or magla-live kami. May makasama din akong mga kapwa vlogger. So maraming salamat mga kabisakol. Magandang araw sa inyo